That's the head right in that area here using my MFT method. It's elongated. It's got a helmet-type skull. It's got large dark eyes. Alien looking. And again, there's that white cloudy substance protecting it. Alright. Oh, and here it is. I've just comparing it to what it's similar to. And again, so they travel in our atmosphere. They can see us and they can hear us, but we don't have the ability to hear or see them with our eyes. This is a general external characteristic of the most common orbs. But what happens when we get orbs like this? What happens when we get orbs that sometimes look like a pear, a green pear, or red and gold bowling balls, or plasmoid, or areas missing from the orb? I mean, look at them. These are real spacecrafts, and we are capturing them in our photos. They are real alien crafts. And let's just take this as an example. This orb here, let's go into this orb. The gold bowling ball, looking like a gold bowling ball. Here it is. This is the widescreen photo. Now I concentrated, I wanted you to see there is a ribbon, there's a dark stigma here, it looks like a ribbon, a dark ribbon, it's right there. And it has a little white rim around it. I went into it, and of course they're alien orbs. Here is the head, and this white rim is right there. They're the heads. Large eyes, elongated, unusual skulls. And I've just added a little comparison here of what they could look like. And that's what's traveling in that orb. Alright, coming to my conclusion, because we're running out of time. Aliens are visiting our Mother Earth in crafts and are capable of traveling distances of many light years away. And they travel quickly and effectively. So these crafts are orbs, or better still, these orbs are crafts. And there's some kind of energy or magnetic fields that can bypass our acceptance, our acceptable knowledge of physics. So my conclusion is that orbs show sign of intelligence, they appear to want to communicate with us, and that there are multitudes of different varieties of orbs. There's just not one. They're coming from different areas of the universe. They're different alien civilizations and different spiritual orbs. And these are just a few examples that I have. I have over 10,000 images of sentient heads and faces in my research files. This one here looks like a helmet. Again, the white, with antennas sticking out. The heads, the white. The heads, the white cloudy substance. The shiny helmet up here with the white substance. So whether they're humanoids, these are from my research files. So whether they're humanoids, they're intergalactical beings, interdimensional beings, alien beings of some sort, and even spiritual beings, whatever they are here, and they are around us. They are watching us, and they are observing us.